Some football news now. The Reggae Boyz put in an uninspiring performance in Game 2 of their friendly international against Trinidad and Tobago at the National Stadium on Tuesday evening. The match ended 0-0.
A number of young players were given the opportunity over the two games to impress coach Jamaica Hallgrimsson, but not many took their chances against the Trinidad and Tobago team, whose players have been out of competition. The Jamaicans' game at times resembled a tennis match as the ball went flying from defence to forward. The only ones having problems being the air traffic controllers. But Hallgrimsson put it down to nerves on the part of the players.
Probably it's more stress than quality. Some players are playing their first national team matches now in the international stadium. The stadium they have been wanting all their lives to play in front of a crowd. So no, I think it's more stress than lack of quality.
Out of the number of long balls, only one got through the Trinidadians, and when it did, Demario Phillips lost his bearings.
I think we had really good moments where we should have done better with the last pass, with the cross, so we created a lot more good openings today. We should have probably needed the third match against Trinidad to score a goal, but with this improvement, for sure, these players would have done better in the next game. So that pleases me.
Hallgrimsson expressed his satisfaction with a number of players, but refused to single them out.
I don't want to count numbers here. It's about the team. It's about the team. We played more as a unit, more as a team, but I'm not going to count players here in the media. Of course, we'll analyze the games. Both the games much better than we have done the first game, so but I'm not going to pick players. There were some players really had a good performance today. You probably know as well as me.
According to captain Adrian Mariappa, with more time, the young players will show quality.
These games for them will be brilliant. You saw the improvements from the first game to the second game as well, so just giving them time, and the more that they play together, those things will happen. It'll be a lot more fluent, and they'll be able to connect with each other on the pitch a lot better, but it's just about giving them the time.
As for the Trinidadian coach Angus Eve, it was difficult at times coping with the Jamaicans' style of play.
They were hitting a lot of long balls into the strikers. They were trying to play the balls on the flanks, and we stood up well to that sort of European tactic. So all in all, I thought it was a good exercise for us. On aggregate, we won the series 1-0.
The Jamaicans will next be in action against Mexico in their return leg Nations League match on March 26 at the Azteca. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.